How to fix Brawl Stars not opening on LDPlayer 2025 working. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you some fix for Brawl Stars not opening on LDPlayer. So first of all, you can do some basic troubleshooting, like you can restart LDPlayer. So for that, you have to close LDPlayer completely and then reopen it, and then you can go to your phone settings and find the app into for Brawl Stars and clear its cache. And after that, if clearing the cache doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. And you can do some advanced troubleshooting if the basic troubleshooting didn't work with you. So if the problem persists, you can create a new instance of LD player like LD multiplayer in a feature for this. And after that, you can install the game in the new instance, ensuring it's a fresh install. And after that, you can check for server related issues, like if you suspect server issues, wait a few hours and try again later. Brawl Stars, like many online games, experience occasional server problems that resolve on their own, and there can be other potential issues like emulator updates. Ensure you are using the latest version of LDPlayer, as updates often includes bug fixes and compatibility improvements. And you can also check for graphics settings, like lowering graphics settings within LDPlayer can sometimes help with stability, especially on lower end systems. And you can also check for addressing specific issues like black screen. If you encounter a black screen after the game launches, try restarting the emulator and the game multiple times, and if this issue, and it may resolve itself after a few attempts. And if you are experiencing issues with controls, ensure you are using a compatible control scheme or adjust the key mapping with LDPlayer. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.